Good morning, T-Birds. I'm Jasmine.
And I'm Angelina. Today is Friday, March 5th, 2021, and you're watching Tahoma TV.
Do you want to share your culture with everybody else at Mount Tahoma? Then sign up for the multicultural assembly that will be displayed on video. You send in whatever you want to do, whether it's photos of food, students' arts, cultural arts, etc. You can send in live performances, MC introductions, and a presentation of colors that will be edited into a video. If you are interested in being part of the Multicultural Day, then email Miss Riddle. Are you going to participate in the Multicultural Assembly?
Probably.
Yeah.
I'm thinking it. Yeah. Are you?
I don't think so. I don't. Nah. What are you gonna do? You do it.
I'm not sure yet. I would have to think about that.
Yeah. Well, we'll see.
Now here's Des for a news sports report.
What's good, y'all? I'm Des. I'm here with the sports news for you guys today. Over the week, we had a volleyball game and other sports games I was very unaware of. I'm sorry for that. As of the volleyball game, all three teams sadly lost. Hopefully we can bounce back from those losses and get wins as soon as possible. As of the NFL, we are in a trade deal almost with Russell Wilson, sadly. I don't think he's going to leave, but he's worth 3 first-round picks. JJ Watt also landed on the Arizona Cardinals from free agency. That's all I have for you guys today. Have a good day and peace out.
Even though we have been in online school, let's say huge happy classified staff week. Let's give a huge shout out to our lunch ladies, custodians, secretaries, paraductors, and everyone who keeps this school running.
Now let's go see if we should stay in or go out and enjoy the weather with Messiah.
What's going on, T-Birds? I'm Messiah and I'm here to give you the weekend weather. Friday it will be raining and it will be 54 degrees. Saturday it will also be raining and it will be 51 degrees. Sunday again it's gonna be raining and it's gonna be 50 degrees. So the weekend you should get a big jacket and an umbrella. But Monday it will be 54 degrees and it will be partly sunny, so you can enjoy the sun again. Well, that's all I have for you today, T-Birds. Have a good day. Back to the desk.
Let's give a huge shout out to the After School with the Nest. After School with the Nest is a program where Mount Tahoma's community partners provide after school activities and mentoring to students. If you want to participate in After School with Nest, contact our communities and school director, Kiko Salas. The Nest will be available every Monday and Wednesday from 3 to 5 p.m.
Now let's see what has been happening in the city of Tacoma.
Hey T-Birds, I'm Mackenzie here with some local news. The Washington State Senate approved a bill Wednesday that would allow high school students in graduating classes of 2021 and 2022 to stay in high school for a bridge year to catch up on learning and participate in extracurricular activities. Students could also retake classes and boost grades that may have flattered during the pandemic and ensuing upheaval. Under the bills, districts are required to expunge any D's or F's from a student's transcript if they get a higher grade in the same class during their bridge year. The goal is to offer students a more meaningful conclusion to high school, according to Prime sponsor Sam Hunt. Well, that's all I have for today, T-Birds. Have a great day and back to the desk.
The Yearbook Committee is calling on you, T-Birds, to make this year's yearbook the best there is. They need you to send your individual portraits or any photo you want to share that is school appropriate. If you want to turn in any photos, go to the link below or submit your photos to the Instagram page at Mount T Tahoma Yearbook 2021. They need these photos turned in by March 10th.
Before we end today's broadcast, let's get a TikTok video of the day.
If you can answer the question correctly that's on the board, you can leave my class. Let me see your papers when you're done. Bring them up. You can go. You can go. Ooh, you're missing something. I don't know what it is, but you're missing something. I don't know. Go back and try again. Go back. No, go back. Try again. You're good to go. Ooh. I'll let that one slide. I'll let that one slide. You can go. You can go, Ethan. You can go.
Well, that does it for today's news. Thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm Jazmin.
And I'm Angelina. Subscribe to us on YouTube to never miss a story.
Once a T-word,
Always a T-word.
have a great day.
day.